Good morning, everyone. I am Mbongiseni Mazibuko, the Deputy Director General in the Department of Education in KwaZulu-Natal, responsible for curriculum management and delivery. Today, we are at Maritime School of Excellence in Durban, in uMlazi district. We are hosting a World Hydrography lecture, which is in the main hosted by eThekwini metropolitan city together with the South African Navy. It is a celebration of the importance of marine and maritime studies and careers. And what is more important is that they are using our venue as a new school focusing on marine and maritime studies. And it is also more important that we have invited other schools that are doing the same studies that are coming from eThekwini, both uMlazi district and Pinetown district. And at this point today, the learners and their teachers have been invited to a cruise ship, one for them to see how a ship looks like in the inside, and two, also to give and to be given more information so that they know about careers at sea. What is more important is that we are continuing with the day now with the lectures which we are receiving from universities so that they advise us as to how do we make sure that our learners get more information and more interest in terms of maritime careers. Thank you very much.